If you want to edit photos on Xiaomi 17, then in that case, once you open the gallery, then you want to, of course, open the photo that you wish to edit, and then in here we should be able to tap on this button over here, this square with a pen. Once you tap on it, you can start editing. We need to, of course, tap on agree once you go here for the first time, and you should be able to make some adjustments, of course. So we have like Ultra HD option, we have AI Beautify, we have exposure, brightness, and other parameters that we can use. And besides that, at the bottom of the screen, we have a couple of additional tools as well, like for example the crop option, where we can rotate, distort, and so on and so forth. We have the filter option, where we can apply filters. There we go. We have watermark option as well, so you can add watermarks to the photo. We have markup tools. We have create, where we can expand, erase, so we can adjust the sky, and so on and so forth. And we have the portrait, which allows you to, for example, improve the skin, face, and body of people, and so on and so forth. Of course, over here you can also switch the colors and details, but you should be able to swipe between them actually in the adjust menu. And once you are done with the photo, you can either tap on you can tap on save here in the upper right corner, and that's all you have to do. Of course, the original photo is still kept. This one is saved as a copy, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.